Okie dokie, peeps and whatnot. I'm going to show you guys, hopefully quickly here, that you don't need YAST on the openSUSE. And you can see here we are running openSUSE Tumbleweed. And if you go up on here into the good old start menu, you see no YAST. Even if we go into the good old terminal and we do sudo cipher search YAST and a wildcard, you can see here we have all the YAST components in here. And if it was installed, it would have like an I beside the name here. I have heard good old lamers say that, oh, you have to use YAST. No, you don't really have to use YAST. However, you do have to go and do some things, because if you uninstall YAST and you don't tweak the zip.conf file, it will then install YAST again, because YAST is a recommended extra to a lot of packages. And what openSUSE does is that they install everything in the kitchen sink. So let's say I wanted to install VLC. It gives me, I have set this up so I don't get the recommendations. So it will install the required components and also the recommendations component or libraries and functions. So you get everything, and YAST is recommended for a lot of situations. So I don't want that, you probably don't want that. So basically you just think about like this: if you're running Arch, Ubuntu, or any other Linux distribution, 9 out of 10 times when you're installing a program, it's only giving you the requirements for running the program, aka the required libraries and stuff like that. You can also select a wildcard or a flag that says install recommended also. SUSE, openSUSE is like, you know what, we want to make sure you get the best experience as possible, where you have to go in and do as little work to get things to work yourself. So we're giving you the required and the recommendation to make sure that you get as smooth an experience as possible. But that also means that you may install a lot of stuff that you don't need. So what we want to do is we want to go into the etc folder. And let's see what we have in here. We want to go into the ZYPP folder. Now we're in here, let's list this in here. And then we want to go into the zypp.conf file. So if I do sudo nano, you see here, we go in here. And then we want to find, I'm just using my mouse here because it's a little bit more convenient. We need to find something that I have uncommented in here. You can read this and you can tweak this at your own volition, you know. You can easily fuck things up. I would recommend you only do this. So here, under something here that says recommended packages will not be upgraded. The value, it's a boolean. It's basically having a true or false state associated with it. So here, solver.only requires equal true. So you're telling YAST in the backend, like, I don't want all these recommendations. I don't want the kitchen sink. I don't want to marry the whole family, their sisters, their grandkids. I don't want to sleep with the brothers, mothers, and stuff like that. I just want the wife, nothing else. I just want the girl or the boy. I don't want anyone else in the family to accompany me with that union that I'm not now making with the wife or the husband. Husband-wife being a package that you installed. So you have to set it to true. See you all later. Bye-bye.